Good morning to you all, Fiji wide and abroad.
Right.
Nisema chumay na dotala na madho vo.
Another
day, another week.
Yeah.
In front of us, kito sa mga nusungan ni Bikimani na Biwakani.
Yeah.
And on the Ouch Palagi Show.
Iyo, na may tukori binaka na Punjas new cream biscuit, so creamy in every bite. A big bowl of binaka.
Good morning to each and everyone. This is a day that we are celebrating Fiji Day.
Right.
Last week, thank you very much, some of us. We thank the people from Australia,
Alright.
from overseas, from New Zealand, UK, USA, Fiji and abroad,
Okay.
for celebrating the Fiji Day.
Alright.
Some of them twice.
Some of them thrice.
Yeah. They are more tabarua.
Right.
Wakatulu na kena dakatiu na songo. May Liverpool
Right.
from Australia on Saturday. Thank
Oi.
you very much. They all come to over Liverpool.
Alright.
Because to celebrate the Fiji Day from there.
Right.
Thank you very much. Different area they walking.
Right.
They come together, especially the neck.
Right.
The people they are staying there, being part of us.
Yeah.
They come together. They celebrate the Fiji Day.
Oh, maramatagali sinay Josh.
Alright.
May American Samoa. American Samoa?
Yeah.
Arto celebrate tal sunga na Fiji Day. And buku ni arto martang sumay ni maruti talaga ikan na singa tabunangon eh.
Okay.
Iyo.
Ka muskin na kaya keke pati kaya
Saan
na
sila?
sulumay na ito kaya rapag iti may American Samoa.
Right.
And bida nga na singa sa usin.
Yeah.
KA109 na ingol-ingol ispartay sibuni ba bimbingan na burawanga family.
Iyo.
Doon mula binaka iyo paano ni binato na bibing grabe Luciana Wayne.
Right.
Kerto na nilalawa. And also some of the village,
Iyo.
some of the district,
Village hall.
they celebrate to the nang kinayado may naluto.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the people from Lakemba,
Right.
from Yasawa,
Yeah.
was watching on the Saturday
Right.
afternoon. They were sending the picture
Okay.
and the description.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oy, no, may American Samoa. Bida boleh besar matagali. Dabito kan wilmai ke kemani kada na lubibiti ni marutan siguro no na Fiji Day.
Iyo.
May American Samoa.
May katining talaga may Perth.
Oy.
Artungi marot tal sunga na noa arton na dormur tungol itu lu buguni taka ni program na neka.
Iyo.
Apa ambulu kan di tabale aquila.
Iyo.
May nalindigo. Pabulu
Right.
tu ni bikim do kesar kertura no milala may katining may Perth.
Iya.
Ana kana marot gitu na singa noa
Right.
na Fiji Day.
Would
Dalawa
like,
na- May. Ano ba, Gori?
No, I would like to thank the boys for
Right.
being
Who?
part. Not the boys from New Zealand,
Oy.
Australia, from
Australia.
British Army.
Long
Yeah.
time. Eh?
Thank you very much for being part. No, I watching one clip.
Yeah.
People are
Well,
running,
you always watch the clip. Eh?
running after the ship.
Oi.
Arto pa bisukon doon na si Pio wala ngora ship.
Oy.
Ano mo
Basta
de
si
siro na wakalim?
Sir Rosarli Siro sa bimba.
Ayo.
Right.
Oh.
Ron na sa ni bamba.
Katubo ni tambora rasipin ba undon to say talaga ko pwede mo yan.
Okay. Outs pa lang show this morning.
Right.
Una kira intimisyo ka naman tayo kuha
Iyo.
na facial expression.
Willy.
Ito na kini balang-balang.
Right.
Okay. Demesi, kira mo na pamadal manda na imbale, okay. Nindu sini boss may vehicle.
Right.
Doesn't talk to you, but smile.
Right.
That's first of all
Iya. Kung
The sign of-
What does that mean?
Iya.
the sign of single.
Okay.
If no,
Iya.
something wrong with you
Iya.
Right.
that you didn't see,
Iya.
she feel it.
Oi.
Hey.
Ako na ba ya?
Wala kendo, ano naman din to kay malel mo vehicle.
Right.
Yeah, that's mean love.
Oy.
When you see something, smile.
Iya.
But doesn't say anything.
Iya.
Doesn't say anything.
Yeah.
Right.
Maybe he wants something from you,
Right.
but he doesn't have.
Okay. Yo.
right, good.
Wala ba ito ko?
Iya.
If someone looks at you
Iya.
and then he or she
Iya.
raised the eyebrows, what does that mean?
Iya.
That's mean confused.
Okay.
He see you,
Iya.
he confused.
Okay, if he's a man.
If the man,
Iya.
he confused.
If a woman,
Confused.
Okay, terus talam ada na bung ni smile.
okay.
Bango. Morning,
Yeah.
midday,
Did you smile?
afternoon and evening.
All right.
Smile.
Okay, wawa.
Tolo.
Kaya tuwa
Dos.
smile vehicle
Iyo.
during midday.
Right.
Midday
Yeah.
is a sign
During
of
lunchtime.
During lunchtime is a sign of choke. Wala lalaketen na.
Yeah.
He wants to hunger. He wants to eat.
And the best smile ko na sula.
Yeah, the best smile ever in your life. If no, he wants a $1.
Okay. What I can do is smile vehicle.
Yeah.
And ambongi.
Nambogi.
When somebody smile in the night,
Yeah.
that means something is close by.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tevor.
Yeah.
John Kumar Mulamanaka. Okay, when someone smiles at you during a grog session,
Gori.
Agro session.
smile,
Yeah.
but never say anything.
Deadly smile.
Yeah, deadly smile.
Deadly smile.
Yeah.
That mean
Yeah.
this especially to the Bamet.
Yeah.
Rambameti.
Right.
Smile means low down.
Low down.
Low down. Like, if not a Bamet,
Yeah.
that mean
Yeah.
home.
Right. Okay.
Home.
Oh,
Right. Facial expressions go.
Yeah.
Go tell go. Lip biting.
Yeah. Like this, yeah. Look at the camera.
Oh, like
Lip biting. What
lip
does that-
biting.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
That's when the grog session is the highest of your life.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you see someone like that,
Yeah.
that's
No, early in the morning. Early in the morning.
in the morning may raise another one.
Okay. Ocho chingo.
Yeah.
Duango.
Yeah.
Prolonged eye contact.
Right.
Prolong eye contact
Right.
is a
Kaya kaya review ko tutos. Easy, set.
easy.
Okay.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Okay, come on,
Prolong.
Prolonged
Yeah.
eye contact.
Right.
Prolong
Yeah.
eye contact, that's mean
Yeah.
he wants to eat you.
Eat you like what?
When you see somebody in a long something, maybe that one is
No, so riba.
Yeah.
something wrong upstairs. If not,
Yeah.
he wants to enable you to a connection.
Yeah. Okay. Ocho chingo.
Mai.
Don rupas tahun ni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, iko dorbo iko turanga.
Iya.
Ko pasti ki ko
Dorbo.
Iya, dorbo. Ko pasti ko ngoneleo. Sale runa kala oi li oiko.
Iya.
Iko ngai kinta ko ni pakai ndo na kaya do.
Iya, right.
Iko ngai kibi ani ko ngai reki ma ngai smile. Tapi ken membala.
Rocky Virorua.
Rocky Virorua. Tapi ken membala. Please.
Ko nga tukuno ko nang kasya,
Yeah.
o kila to ko nang buike din spray.
Yeah.
Pangaw ko ibi na makete. Ibi na makete $2.
Spray. Oy, boy baby ka.
Eh.
Pas mo ko, okay matambo ko tu eh.
Yeah.
Spray. Wala on nang dalo, wala maybe sures. O siya. Botal mo dari spray ah.
Mindro sabi pasingan, ro sabi kim, mindro sabi ready.
Iya.
Pangan gobe ko ya.
Baru ko smile maybe ko.
Yo smell mai tukun ko ibi $2 makete. Apo no ya? Ke smile kana senganga.
Mana ta?
Ibi.
Hey.
Binabale Punjas, binabale. Hey, have a blessed Monday.
So creamy.
Have a blessed week. Have a blessed Punjas. Thank you.
Unabale sar cikumai. And mataka binang nikod na mga binang talibi Punjas na nabito ko nitiko na mataka to sar. Iya set to pala banda naibi. Iyo. Ni roto ka nang dola.
Hey, kaya beken na nanganga.
Iya.
Nanganga minbongi bosota, ngor na nomu. Nakaombole ya. Meraka kun me balolo mana idoniti na mataka ni kuwa. Baka yang ngataka, ngor nambuno na marama.
Eh, pokoknya bila kaya mo do talamato mo ning karabitabi satu ke matanda.
Den rin mo bel na dali. John Kumar.
Iya.
Laitia. Kethita ko, may tadi ruongo. Binabale sar sa mo cikumai.
Don mo benak.
Isa.
Like, hard mata kaya numi share mata di kuwa.
Doon binaka.
Maru tayo siya ng karabitabi ni singenday. Meta mo mata di mata kang go kurmundo.
Au mi ka galong bula.
De mesika kaya.
Ikalong nga tani mo de.
Bode.